Hi guys, welcome in. I thought I would do just a quick review of this new style from Rene of Paris. This is called NYX. It's part of their high fashion collection. This color is Silver Oyster R. I purchased mine from Wig Studio One. All right, these are the Rene of Paris heat-friendly fibers. So NYX, it's just a choppy, beachy wave style. I love all these waves. Now, I'm going to insert some video of the cap, but it has an extended lace front. I want you to see that. It is so well done. It has a mono part. It's open wefted. Now, let's talk about the fit. This actually fit me a little large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I had to use the pull tabs to bring it in, so it did fit me just a tad large. Now, permatease. This definitely has permatease running all through this wig, all through the sides, through the back. Yes, it's open wefted, so we would expect that, and it definitely does have that. Now, the bang of NYX is 11½, and so is the crown, 11½. The nape is 4, and it weighs 4 ounces. Let's just take a second and talk about this color, Silver Oyster R. Now, I know a lot of you are not a fan of these silver wigs with the dark root. I totally understand that. But y'all, we don't all have to like the same thing, right? And they make these because they're super popular. I happen to like it. I wore this same sweater last night to dinner with this hair. Now, when I wear the hair, this color, I wear it as a fashion color. That's just me. I like it. I like it with a black turtleneck like this. It's just like a wow. I had so many compliments last night on my hair. So that's how I approach this. I like these colors as more of a fashion statement for me. But this is available in 22 colors. So there is something for everyone. So this color, I'll also insert some outdoor footage of this. It's a base of silver and beige. And then, of course, on this rich brown root. Now, what I like to do is use some Piece to Perfection. Now, this is from Push Hair by Wig Studio One. I love this texturizing mist. I love it. One thing I really like is it is unscented, and I will put some of that on here and even make this bigger because, you know, I like big hair. But you can just put some of this texturizing mist. Also, what I really appreciate about this is it doesn't have a buildup like some of the others that I have used. I feel like I can use this on this wig a lot before I have to wash it. It just doesn't create a buildup. Now, I like a piecey look, and you just seen how I did that. And it just gave it a little texture, just a little bit. And I like that piecey look that it gives. Now, there's lots of ways to style this, of course. If you don't like all this permatease and you want to tone it down a little bit, you can always pin it back and kind of work with it, y'all. You just have to work with our wigs, right? Pin it back, kind of work with it a little. You can smooth this down some. I just like to make mine as big hair as possible, but you don't have to. You can pin this out of your face. You can use a headband on it. There's lots of things you can do. Okay, I just created a little half up and half down with this. Easy to do, kind of takes all of that, you know, you don't feel like you just have such a huge amount of hair. And you can easily do that by just pulling it back. This would be pretty just on one side up. So much you can do with this wig. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this short look at this new style from Rene of Paris. I will leave the link below. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.